Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание в магазине игрушек. Часть первая, страница 62, 63, 64, 65. English, Starlight 3, at the toy shop, homework, part number 1, page number 62, 63, 64, 65. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 62, 62. At the toy shop. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. В магазине игрушек. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. Look, a toy shop. Let's buy a present for Harry's birthday. Emma, what are these? They are roller skates. Those teddy bears are nice. A teddy bear, no. Look at these bikes. Wow, those cars are cool. Where's Alvin? Oh, Alvin, you're so funny. Later in the afternoon. Happy birthday, Harry. Here are your presents. Oh, thank you. Look at all these boxes. Oh, this is a nice bus. Look, 2 red lorries. Oh, what's this? Open in and see. Wow, a big car. Thanks, everyone. Get in, Harry. Cool. Now it's an aeroplane. Thanks, Eleanor. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and correct the mistakes. Прочтите диалог еще раз и исправьте ошибки. Oh, this is a big bus. 2 yellow lorries. A small car. The answer. Oh, this is a nice bus. 2 red lorries. A big car. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 64. 64. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторите. Guitar. Old. New. Послушайте и заполните. Затем подпевайте. The answer. It's my birthday today. It's my birthday today. These are my presents. It's my birthday today. Here's a kite and a plane. And a super toy train. These are my presents. It's my birthday today. Here's a ball and a car. And a new toy guitar. These are my presents. It's my birthday today. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 65. 65. Exercise number 3. Who are the cards from? Unscribble the letters to find the names. От кого открытки? Расшифруйте буквы, чтобы найти имена. Dear Harry, warm wishes on your birthday. With love from Emma. Cool wish from your friend Lee. To Harry, happy birthday. Love, Mona. Have a great birthday. Love, Ellen and Eleanor. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Make a birthday card for your friend. Сделайте поздравительную открытку своему другу. The answer. Dear Nikita, warm wishes on your birthday. With love, from Nika. Fun time. Tongue twisters. Say the following sentences as fast as you can. Скороговорки. Произнесите следующее предложение как можно быстрее. A big blue man blows big blue bubbles. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Did you know? Did you know? You share your birthday with 9 million people around the world. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.